Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video we're going to review the Hills Folding Frame Clothesline Ground Mount Kit. Now this process and system is the same for all the Hills Folding Frame Clotheslines. So in your ground mount kit you will receive the 2 posts, the crossbar and also an accessory pack, which is the bolts that you use to hold the wall brackets onto the kit. You'll have a sticker on the end of the post which will say accessory pack inside, and you'll find the accessory pack is just tucked up inside your leg kit. So once you do that, you then install the posts as per the instruction manual. Once that's complete, you then assemble the clothesline onto the post, and you do this in the same way we've shown you in the video in terms of how to install a clothesline and tension the cord. When you buy a ground mount kit from the clotheslinestore.com.au, the kit will be the same colour as your clotheslines. You'll always get a matched pair, so no need to be concerned about that. That's all that's required in terms of assembling a folding frame clothesline onto a post kit. So I hope this has helped you. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting the clotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.